welcome back to North Housekeeping channel. Last time I talked about the water bottle, which all the room attendants must have. This time I'm gonna talk about the real housekeeping tool. Today's topic is squeegee. When we clean the bathroom, we need to sweep the bathtub and walls with towels after washing. If we clean only small bathrooms, we usually use 1 or 2 towels per room. However, we also need to take care of big bathrooms. I think there are many room attendants who are also taking care of shower booth and accessible room on a daily basis. We need many towels and move around to sweep those bathrooms. The squeegee helps drying easier and faster. Oh, squeegee? I have. You may say so, but I'm not talking about the regular squeegee. This is a regular squeegee I have in my car. It's okay for sweeping car windows, but it's not good enough for housekeeping. You can get this simple squeegee anywhere, but I chose this shower squeegee for 3 reasons: long, light, and compact. First, the keyword is long. It has a long handle so that you can reach higher and lower. The length of the blade is also long, so it covers more area per action. In other words, it helps you to move less. Second, it's lightweight. Room attendants carry a lot of things, not only the big cart full of towels, but also we carry amenities, shower curtains, and cleaning tools in the back like this. So we don't want to carry anything heavy as much as possible. Third, it's compact. Actually, this is the main reason I was looking for this squeegee in particular. This is a 360-degree rotating head, so you can stick in the back. The regular shaped squeegee takes space, and it's hard to take out from the back. It doesn't take space. You can just stick in and you can take out. Very easy. Also, rotation is the main reason why I chose this squeegee. It works well while sweeping too. If you change the angle, you can sweep between grab bars and narrow space. There are so many different types of squeegees in the market, but the rotating head squeegee is a pretty rare product, and I think this is exactly what room attendants need. Before I got this squeegee, I had a negative feeling when I entered the big bathroom. Like, oh, it takes time. I don't want to do this room. After I got this, I didn't feel negative at all. I feel it's time to make a good use of my squeegee, and I have fun using it. I want other room attendants to also take advantage of this opportunity and surprise how easy and fast you can finish cleaning big bathrooms. The details are in the description box, so please take a look. I hope this information will help your housekeeping life to be better. Thank you for watching, and see you soon!